All right, guys, we are done with this particular roof. We just got done doing the cleaning on these panels. As you can see, they're nice and clean now, all the way around. Beautiful. These guys will get very, very good production coming out of these solar panels. All these solar panels coming off of one roof, gonna do excellent. Beautiful. See the finished product, how nice it is. This is what you get when you clean with us. We have the Solitech brush right there. Went over these about 10 times and you can see the results, how nice and clean these are. All right, guys, see you on the next one.